Once upon a time, in a big green jungle full of tall trees and singing birds, there lived a kind elephant named Ellie. Ellie was large and strong, but her heart was soft and caring. All the jungle animals loved her. One sunny morning, Ellie was walking near the river, splashing water with her long trunk. Suddenly, she heard a small sound. Sniff! Sniff! Ellie stopped and listened carefully. Behind a bush, she saw a little child sitting on the ground, rubbing his eyes and crying. "Oh, dear," said Ellie softly. "Why are you crying, little one?" The child looked up in surprise. "I'm lost," he said. "I came to the jungle with my family, and I can't find them." Ellie gently touched the ground with her trunk to calm him. "Don't worry," said Ellie kindly. "I will help you." Ellie asked the jungle animals for help. First came Momo the monkey, jumping from tree to tree. Then Zara the zebra ran over quickly. Even Leo the lion came, smiling instead of roaring. Together they searched the jungle. Ellie lifted the child onto her back so he wouldn't get tired. As they walked, Ellie showed him colorful birds, butterflies, and tall waterfalls. The child slowly stopped crying and began to smile. Suddenly, they heard a familiar voice. "Ellie! Ellie! It's my family!" the child shouted happily. His parents came running and hugged him tightly. "Thank you, Ellie," they said with grateful smiles. Ellie bowed her head and trumpeted softly. "Helping others makes the jungle a happier place." The child waved goodbye as Ellie walked back into the jungle. From that day on, Ellie was known as Ellie the brave and kind elephant, the friend of everyone, big or small. And the jungle lived happily ever after.